Today at Free Field Training, we're looking at the StatGear Tri-Tac tactical pen. This is an aluminum body 1.7 ounce tactical pen using a Fisher Space Pen insert so it can write in the rain and upside down, even up in space and all that kind of stuff if that type of thing is important to you. The mechanism on the pen is pretty unique as far as pens go. It has a system of retracting and extending the Fisher Space Pen insert that's kind of like the safety mechanism on an old blowback submachine gun. You push the knob over and forward in order for the pen to come out, and over and back for it to retract. It's a system I don't see in a lot of other pens or a lot of other anything, and it's cool even if it's just for its uniqueness. It also has a metal pocket clip, a glass breaker, and a small knife in the end of it. It's a type of thing that condenses down a bunch of stuff that people carry on their persons every day into one object, so you only have one thing that you're putting in your pocket. So at this point in the video, a lot of my longtime subscribers are probably wondering what I'm doing reviewing a tactical pen, because they know what I think of most tactical pens. Well, StatGear contacted me about their tactical pen, and the only thing that made me say, yeah, sure, I'll take a look at that, is the fact that it has a knife blade on it. I previously talked about a different item, and I talked about it from a perspective of a hidden weapon. It's a little SOG key knife. After buying the SOG key knife, to have one as an example, my wife absconded with it and attached it to her keys. And her reasoning of having this, and it has come in handy quite frequently, is that she always has a little knife to open packages and stuff with, because she always has her keys with her and she doesn't have to remember something else. If she's got her keys for the van with her, she's got her little knife with her and she always knows where it's at. Well, this I think would work really well for some people for the same type of thing. Obviously, it's not a pen that I would use for police work, because I don't want to hand someone a knife regardless of its diminutive size and whether or not it locks on a traffic stop to sign a ticket, or even to write down their information on a car accident. But for someone who works in an office or works in an environment where they have a strict rule against any type of weapons in their workplace, having a decent pen that's going to do everything you need a pen to do, and a little knife that no one's going to be scared of to do those little everyday chores that you normally have to carry a separate item in your pocket for, might be really space economical. So there's a link for the StatGear Tri-Tac tactical pen down in the link below, but I think overall it's not a bad option as like an EDC item for people who need a pen more than they do a knife. And it's got the little glass breaker, so there's a slight safety advantage to it as well. There's a link down in the description below for the pen. You should check it out if you're in that boat. Until next week, you guys be safe and take care of each other. Hey, thanks for watching Free Field Training on YouTube. While you're here, why don't you go check out one of our other videos, or you can head on over to the Patreon and see how you can get your name put on the videos like these fine folks listed over here. There's also some exclusive content on Patreon that just shows you kind of behind the scenes like you're seeing now. We'll see you guys next time.